It's Christmas time in California. Look who's here.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Actually, he's in town already. We're checking out the Griff Park light display. Y'all come along for the adventure.
Come along.
Welcome aboard.
Hi. Thank you. Hi.
Fly to Canada.
So we found out there's actually a train ride that takes you right through the lights. It's only $5, so we figured let's take a ride. So y'all take a ride with us. Let's do it.
Come on. Choo choo. Here we go.
Bye-bye. Not only is there the train ride with the lights, but there's also a cool area over here to our right. You get your picture made with Santa. There's Santa.
There's Santa.
got the lighting shining on everybody.
Yeah. Projector cell lighting.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy holidays. That was amazing. We had an absolute amazing blast. It was so beautiful in the way that they set up the lights. It was awesome. There were so many.
Yeah, this place is incredible, and the train ride's only $5. Plus, the kids can come over here and get their picture made with Santa and hang out in the little town behind us. Great time for kids. It seemed like everybody had a wonderful time on this ride right here at Griffith Park in Hollywood, California. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can come along with us on future adventures.
Come along.